Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to move your TRX tokens from your Arculus wallet to Bitmart for trading or staking. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. This wallet is user-friendly and secure, perfect for managing your TRX. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your TRX balance. It should be easy to find under your asset list. Next, select the TRX you want to transfer. Tap on it and look for the Send or Withdraw option. Before you proceed, you'll need the deposit address from Bitmart. Head over to the Bitmart website or app, log into your account, and go to the deposit section. For TRX, make sure you're on the Tron network. It's crucial to match the networks to avoid any issues. Now, back in Arculus, enter the Bitmart deposit address carefully. Double-check it to prevent sending your tokens to the wrong place. That could mean losing them forever. Then, input the amount of TRX you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance first to cover those. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric auth. After that, sit tight. The transaction should process quickly on the Tron network, but it can take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Bitmart and check your account balance. Your TRX should appear in your wallet there. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and maybe refresh the page. A quick word of advice. Always use official apps and websites to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you manage your crypto more effectively. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.